Hey guys, this is Lucy with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open Google Drive in your laptop. So first you need to go to Google and you will see your profile in the top right corner, just like that, and you will see the Drive option here in this box, just there, Drive. So first you need to log into your Gmail, and here you need to go to your account and you will see the same option here with these dots called Google Apps, and here you can scroll down and you can find Drive. Here are other Google apps too which you can access easily, so just click on Drive and you have successfully opened your Drive in your laptop. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.